Hello guys, in this video I will share with you a very wonderful application, which is the caller name speaker application, meaning when someone calls you the phone will ring and it will ring with the name of the person who is calling you. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video, and all thanks to everyone who supports it. Now let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the App Store. After that, you download this application that appears to you now. Then you open it. After that, it will ask you for some permissions so that it works well. You click on allow, then allow, and give it all the permissions it needs. Now only, my friend, you activate this option, and after that, when someone calls you, the phone will ring and speak the name of the caller. And there are also other features in this application. I leave you to discover them. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. No inquiries for any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.